Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share with you my August 2020 setup, and it's not even August yet and I've already switched my covers a few times, so I will show you the options that I thought would go well with the Cocoa Daisy kit from my stash. So right now I am using this Le Voyager, which I found on the buy sell trade, and it's one of their super old retired leathers, and I am so happy that I snagged it. I was in this for like 2 days. It is the Matcha Tea House collection from Chic Sparrow, and I had my setup in there and just wasn't really digging it. Although this is a beautiful green color, I felt like I wanted to use this one. And then this is a Foxy Fix by Storm, and the colors of the kit looked really good in here as well, so I might be moving back into this one at some point. But currently I am in this Le Voyager. So it does have the fox emboss on here, and then my charms are from Fur and You, as well as this paper clip. This is Peony's Papery, and this is Kelly Ava Designs. And then these two little white clips actually came in one of the Cocoa Daisy kits this month. So we'll jump in. I did switch up my inserts. I like to do that each month. I think it's fun. I know that's not for everyone, but I like to try different things out. So up here I have my kit card as always, and then I actually made this out of the packaging from the Cocoa Daisy kit. So this was part of the actual packaging, and I just trimmed it down and laminated it. And then I have my planner cake stickers that I use behind that. This part is still the same as always. It is. So this 6-month book is July to December. This is July. I like to put my goals and stuff down first. And I decorate the page with stickers and washi. And then this is how July turned out. And then at the end of the month, you get a highlights page, and I've been using my date flags from the main planner kit and then using this as a gratitude page. And I think I'll like having all 6 months together. And then I've started prepping August a little bit. And there's my August monthly so far, and then it's not quite August, so I do have this page set up with the flags and ready to go for my gratitude page. And this dashboard I made with some paper from the kit and one of the personal size dashboards. My next insert is, as always, a weekly insert, but the insert is different this month. This is a paper from the main planner kit and a personal size dashboard I trimmed down. And then the actual weekly insert looks like this, and it is from Anthropology Notes on Etsy. And I like that it was timed and has room for your top 3 to-dos and then any notes you have for the week down here. I did go ahead and back plan for some of July just to see how it would work. I didn't fill it out completely, but I just wanted to kind of get a feel for how the insert worked for me. So this is what it looks like with a just ink pen and some time blocking. And then I did use just a few stickers here, and then went into using some more of the stickers, and they all fit really well. These are not 1.5 inches, they're a little bit smaller, so if you're used to like an Erin Condren width sticker, they will not fit in this column. I know that's a question usually we have as planners. And then we got some Vellum Rectangles in one of the kits, and I laminated it with a really thick 10 mil lamination sheet in my laminator, and I love how this turned out as my page marker. And then I just stuck one of the adhesive tabs to the top of that for my page marker. And then my next insert is my daily insert, and it is another one from Anthropology Plans. This is paper from the main planner kit, again with a personal size dashboard I trimmed down from the dashboard kit. And then I think I can show you, I did back plan just a few days in July again to get a feel for the insert. I love that it has your water tracker, your mood tracker, and the weather all up at the top. You have tons of room for listing to do items. And then I have been using the 1.5 width stickers in here, and they're just maybe a teeny tiny bit over, but that doesn't bother me. It still looks pretty good. And then you have room for notes. And I did that same thing with another one of the Vellum Rectangles for this page marker. And then my next insert is a really thin insert. It's a tracker from Paper and Cats, again wrapped in a paper from the main planner kit with a personal dashboard. That was June, where I was kind of just testing out the insert for the first time, and then I've been pretty consistent in July, and then I need to set up August. So that's my tracker. And then I absolutely love this pocket card that came in one of the kits. It was actually the memory keeping kit, sorry. Along with this wood embellishment, I put that on there with some paper from one of the memory keeping kits inside a Foxy Fix dashboard. And then this last insert is my standard size Daisy Dory. It's the insert that I get with my planner kit, although you can get the planner kit without any insert if you don't need an insert. I'm going to be using this for my checkbook register for August. And then this first section of weeklies I'm going to be using for meal planning. So I went ahead and put the last couple weeks of July in here. So I'll list my meals over here and then have my shopping list on this side. And I'm going to do the same thing on these pages all the way through August. And then I think I'm going to put some sort of picture of my son over here. And on this page, I printed out the August Cocoa Daisy Planner Challenge. It's basically where you post a photo a day based on the prompt. And I printed out the mini Dory size and glued it down, but they do offer in the store, if you're a subscriber, a lot of different sizes, so you can get the one that you need. They have like B6 and A6 and standard size and personal size and A5 size and mini Dory, which is actually passport size. And then I haven't really decided what I'm going to do with the last half of my Dory booklet, but I do like having this in here too. I don't feel bad just writing notes in here, so when something comes up and I don't want it on my weekly or daily insert, you know, like a doctor calls and you need to return their call or something, I like making just lists in here and marking them off when I'm done. And then this is the back of that Foxy Fix vinyl dashboard. I printed out these pictures of my son and I. And then this is a Foxy Fix adhesive that I stuck onto the dashboard and added some of the die cuts, and I cut down another pocket card and stuck that in there. And then in the back I have checks, appointment cards, important documents, that sort of thing. So just things I need with me on the go. And that would be my complete setup for the month of August. I'm really excited about the colors. I think they're perfect for that last month of summer before we head into fall. They're nice and bright and vibrant. And I'm looking forward to another month of planning with Cocoa Daisy. If you guys have any questions about my setup, I'd be happy to answer them for you. Thanks for watching and have a great day.